Now most of you guys probably understand base special, or you thought you understand base special. So what you guys probably do know about base special is when you copy something and you go to base special, you can paste certain things. For example, only the values or the formulas. The most used one is probably the values. Now let's first look at what a specific cell consists of. So if I've got values there, say 10, 20, and then I've got a formula here. And then I'm going to add some formats to it. So that, and adding some borders. So now let's look at the first one. So any cell normally contains three types. At least two types. Which means it can either contain a value or a formula. So either one of them or both of them. And it can contain a format. So the first cell here has got the value of 10 and it's got a format of blue and a border. The next one has got the value of 20 and the format of blue and a border. And the last one here has got a value of 30, a formula of C2 plus C3 and a format of a border. So this last one has got three things. So if I just do copy, Control C and Control V, it will copy and paste every single thing. So all the types it will copy and paste. But now we can only paste certain things. So if I copy that again, go to paste special. So if I only paste the formulas, you'll see the format is not copied. So the values will be copied and the formula at the end. Let's go to paste special again. If I then copy the format, see only the format. So this is effectively exactly the same as your format painter. If I go to paste special again, I do the values, then only the values is copied and no formulas. So that's the three types people normally use. Now, the one thing people don't know about. If I want to divide this by, let's say, 2, I'm going to type the number 2 there. I'm going to copy that number. I'm going to select the places where I want to do it. I'm going to go to paste special. I'm going to say formulas. I'm going to say divide. So now it will take this 2, because we've copied that 2, and it will divide everything I've selected by 2. So now what's very important here, if I add only a value in a cell, it won't show you a formula. So it will basically just divide it by 2 and it won't show you a formula that it did it. But in this case we had a formula in there already. So it's not going to take away the formula, it's just going to take the formula, put the formula in brackets and divide it by 2. So we can go do it again. Let's just copy this again. We go there, paste special, formulas. Let's add 2 now. So see again, it will add whatever we selected, even the blank cell. And there it will just add to my formula. So that's a nice function to use. The other thing is, which people don't know about, is the transpose. So if I copy that, I go there, say paste special, say transpose. I'm just going to say values because I don't have formula there. If I say transpose, it's going to do that. So now we had this in the columns, we've got it now in rows. So you can even copy the other way around. So say copy, paste special, transpose. So it turns it around for us. So that's a very handy function to use. So let's just go try that once more. If I go to my examples, I copy that, say paste special, values, transpose. I normally use values because I want to keep I've got yellow there, yellow blocks there, so I want to keep the format. So if I only copy and paste, it's going to take away the format. It's going to take this all the types that I've got included there, and it's going to paste it there. So in this case, I only want to paste the values, and I want to transpose them. I want to get them in columns and not in rows. So I just say OK, and there we are. And in this case, I want to divide by 1000. So we copy 1000. I don't want to do the total because the total should be the total of my numbers. So I say paste special. So I've copied the 1000 formulas, divide, and there we are. So that's a very nice function to use.